Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a journal spread for the K-drama It's Okay to Not Be Okay. And let me just say, I am not okay. This show broke me into a million teeny tiny pieces and then just put me back together again. It was so good. And I feel like I've talked about before, I don't actually watch a lot of K-dramas. I did spreads for my first love, which is honestly one of my favorite shows. It's so cute. And I watched Hello My 20s, and those are actually the only K-dramas I've watched. I've watched a ton of Chinese dramas. I'm really into Chinese dramas, but I just don't watch a lot of K-dramas. I don't really know why. I think that because I've watched so many Chinese dramas, I just keep getting recommended Chinese dramas from Netflix. So that's just what I keep watching. But I saw so many people talking about It's Okay to Not Be Okay on Twitter, and I was like, everybody's talking about this. I want to be involved. So I decided to start watching it, and it was amazing. It's not the typical Asian drama that I personally watch. I usually watch the more like rom-com kind of shows. I'm really into those, but this was so good. Like, it was just so beautifully written. The actors are amazing. The animation at the very beginning just like captivated me instantly. I cried so many times through this show, like happy tears, sad tears, just like so much crying, but in the best way. Like, it just it's so good. I love the characters so much. I love that they're all like very flawed. And yeah, I don't know. I don't even know what else to say. I just really love this drama. And if you haven't watched it, you gotta watch it. It is amazing. So of course, I wanted to do a journal spread for it. I cut out the little butterflies, which if you've seen the show, you know that a butterfly is kind of like the main, not the main thing, but like a big device within the show. So I wanted to incorporate that somehow. And then I've just been really into this like craft paper book page look. And I said before, yes, I do actually rip these pages out of a book. It's an old copy of Dear John with a movie cover. Come on, guys. We don't stand movie covers. And so, yeah, I do actually rip the pages out of that. Sorry if that upsets anyone. But yeah, I also ran out of tape runners. So you'll see me originally using this two-sided tape, and then I actually found a tape runner later on that I didn't realize I had. So I made my life a little bit easier about halfway through the video here. So for the lettering, I was trying to decide like what style I wanted to go with, because originally I was just gonna go with like the classic cursive calligraphy. But then I was like, no, that just seems a little bit too elegant for the themes of this show, because it's just very like raw and real. And so that's why I decided to just go with this, like, I don't know even what it is. It's just my handwriting, I guess. I just wrote in all caps, and I just like wrote with a brush tip marker. And I know this seems like so dramatic, but I really do put a lot of thought into lettering for things, because I really want the lettering, like, I feel like lettering is one of the main things that people look at, like the first thing you look at when you flip to a spread, because you're like, oh, what is this spread about? And so I just really want the lettering to like just be a reflection of what the spread is about, and just give the right feel of the spread, if that makes sense. Again, I feel like that's a little dramatic, and some people are probably like, dude, it's just lettering, but I do actually put a lot of thought into my lettering. So here is a look at the final spread, and I'm very, very happy with it. I really, really like how it came out. So yeah, I just love this show. I love Gangtae, Sangtae, and Ko Moon-young. I just love them so much, and they deserve to be happy. And yeah, I love how this spread turned out. So if you also liked it and you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.